Hey everyone, I'm at Central Market in Tarragona. It's one of the biggest markets in Tarragona. It's just near Salou, and I'm just going to check it out, and we'll see what there is. Now the market is open Tuesday and Thursday every week. There is another bigger market that is open every Sunday, which is the bigger market. So, usual mix of stuff, clothes and food, wallets, all sorts of things. Oh, I see a pair of shorts I like. I might come back for them. I really like doing markets. I like to see all the different things. Don't usually buy that much, but it's nice to have a wee walk about. I just need to remember to come back for the shorts. Being a YouTuber, I like to have all my things in my pockets, but it needs to have zips on it, and they look pretty damn good. Helps against pickpockets. Oh, there's not much there. Just going to take a wee walk back. When I first walked in, I thought this bit actually looked a lot bigger than what it was. I'll just see, I think there's a couple of wee market stalls down here. These markets, they're all very similar, but sometimes you get something that you're like, wow, I really like that. Getting Jacqueline a sweetheart, Queen Bee. Jacqueline hates markets, so I've got to do it myself. So I've got Jacqueline a wee gift. She liked that, she was talking about getting a baseball hat. So, one with Queen Bee on it, I think she'll like that. Now, I think this is mostly a food market. I think I'd be right. Cheese, pastries, bread, fresh fruit. Well, I'll get my spices here. Everybody's ever seen my Benidorm video, market video. You see I like to get my spices, and there's a lot of spices there. Yeah, it's very much a food market. Get Coke homes. There's a downstairs bit, I think, so I need to see what that's about. Oh, sushi. I like a wee bit of sushi. But I'm not going to risk it on holiday. Oh, you can smell the fish. Oh, it's very, very fresh. Oh, there's more stuff outside. So the fish smells very, very fresh here. I haven't had any breakfast yet. I was up early and straight out. But I'll get something at some point. There is some nice things here that I thought, oh, that looks quite nice, might get. There's a bar. Now, I'm going to take a quick look downstairs. I think it's basically a supermarket downstairs, but I'll take a look and see. There's a supermarket down there. I'll just leave doing the downstairs market. It's just a supermarket. See a bit outside, there's more stalls. So let's go and see what we can find. There's some pants, t-shirts. Till we walk down here. It's an okay market. It's more for the meat market kind of thing, the food market. Not seen much I want to buy, but a couple of wee bags there that Jacqueline might like. Well folks, I'm almost at the end, and I have to say I'm disappointed by this market. I knew it would be mostly food, but there's not much here for me. A lot of t-shirts, shoes, pants. Usually there's like a wee market selling spices or something, but I don't see any. So that's disappointing. I'm just going to check down here. I think there's another wee bit to check out. Got a lot of cooking stuff. Well folks, that was the Central Market in Tarragona. What do you think? Is it worth it? I think it's an okay market. For a food market it's brilliant, it's really good, but for me there's not a lot here for me that I'd want to get, so I'm a bit disappointed. But I think I would like the main market, which is every Sunday. I'm gutted that I missed that. But I had other things planned, so I had to give that one a wee skip. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, check out my other videos. I'm currently in Salou, doing a lot of different videos. But thank you very much folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.